G'day Australia, I'm Korum E and today I'm at Audiocom in Balcatta to show you the Sony 9-inch Apple Carplay Android Auto system fitted to this 200 series Landcruiser. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is the best way to upgrade your dash to have all the latest multimedia access from your phone. What it means is when you dock your phone to these Apple CarPlay Android Auto capable units, you'll have full Apple CarPlay or Android Auto interface, which gives you control over your phone from the screen and voice control over messages, calendar information, your multimedia sources so you can request music, voice control, navigation, and there's a few other little features as well. There's a lot of different apps that are active and available on here. Now the Sony has a particularly cool point of difference over some other units. It has something called Weblink, and on particularly on Android phones you get access to quite a lot of cool features. You can run different apps directly on the head unit, like HEMA navigation. That's right, the HEMA navigation app from your phone will run on the 9-inch display, as well as heaps of other apps too. When your park breaker's on, things like YouTube, Netflix, Stan will all run on your dash on this Sony 9-inch unit. That's a pretty cool point of difference from the Sony. These are also available in wireless Apple CarPlay, so they come in standard form as wired CarPlay for Android and Apple, but we have a wireless upgrade option available too for the Sony 9-inch. And as you can see, the 9-inch is a pretty awesome interface. It fits on the dash quite nicely. It mounts up in different ways on different vehicles, but on this 200 series Landcruiser, it is basically built for it. It fits in very snug, and it gives us this interesting vertical angle mount option, so we can bring the screen forward a little, which means it's not as leant back and not getting as much glare from the sun. We've even got the option to lean that forward a little more if that's your preference. It has some pretty awesome features. Regular old good quality AM/FM radio, of course, regular old good quality Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio streaming. But also, when your phone is docked and connected, you actually don't have one plugged in at the moment, it will jump into Apple CarPlay or Android Auto mode, depending on which phone you have. And that will give you your full phone screen interface available on the front of the unit here. They also have a HDMI input up under the face here, so that you've got direct interface to connect something like a lightning cable or an external gaming device, perhaps like a PSP or a Nintendo Switch can plug straight into the front screen of the Sony 9-inch. Pretty amazing bit of kit. You might have noticed that reverse camera icon straight on the front. So using the original factory reverse camera on this particular vehicle, we've interfaced to the Sony so you can select that button and look at the reverse camera at any time, even if you're driving forwards, and we've still got control over our audio, which is pretty awesome. Now this system will fully interface to the factory steering wheel controls, of course, so we can turn that up and down from there. Answer and hang up is available from there. Track next to back mode, everything. We should be able to switch mode right now and get back out of that camera screen. No, for the camera screen we'll have to hit the home button. So there we go. So mode will switch between things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth audio, USB, back to radio, that sort of thing. Really good bit of kit. Looks quite nice in there, quite customizable as well. You can change the color of this background. There's a few preset ones. You can also upload your own image and have that on the back of the unit. And it's a very versatile bit of kit that fits in a lot of cars. Definitely our primary choice for a multimedia unit upgrade in most vehicles. It sits very proud on the dash and gives you that nice big modern 9-inch interface. I hope you've learned something here. I hope this has been informative and let you make a good, better choice for your new multimedia upgrade in your new vehicle. If you want a little help doing so, if you can't find out the information you need on the net, come and see us at Audiocom stores in Western Australia, or visit the website audiocom.online, and there's a lot of different DIY plug and play packs available there for you. For anywhere in Australia and New Zealand, we ship out to both of those areas, no problem at all, and overseas too, by special request. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we want to see you again here soon.